Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove outlines from text fields in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you want to create a cleaner, more professional-looking PDF form where the text fields blend seamlessly into the document without any visible borders. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Recent Files section where you'll see a list of PDFs you've been working with. Go ahead and select the PDF file that contains the text fields you want to modify. Now look over to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll notice several options listed there, but we need to access more tools. Click on View More to expand the full list of available features. This will reveal additional editing and formatting options that Adobe Acrobat offers. Scroll down through these options until you find Prepare a Form. This is the tool that allows you to edit form fields, including their appearance and properties. Click on it to enter the form editing mode. You'll notice that all the interactive elements in your PDF, including text fields and buttons, will now be highlighted and editable. Next, locate the specific text field where you want to remove the outline. Right-click on that text field, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens up a detailed settings window where you can adjust everything about how that text field looks and behaves. In the Properties window, click on the Appearance tab. This section controls all the visual aspects of your text field, including borders, colors, and fonts. Here's where we'll make the changes needed to remove those visible outlines. Navigate to the Border Color option. You'll see a color picker next to it. Click on that color picker, and from the options that appear, select No Color. This removes the border outline from your text field, but we're not done yet because there's also a fill color that might still be visible. Now navigate to the Fill Color option right below it. Click the color picker again and select No Color. This ensures that the background of the text field is also transparent, making it completely invisible when viewed in the PDF. Once you've made both of these changes, click Close to exit the Properties window. Your text field will now appear without any visible borders or background color. If you have multiple text fields in your document that need the same treatment, simply repeat these steps for each one. It might take a few moments, but the result will be a much cleaner looking form. After you've removed the outlines from all the necessary text fields, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This ensures all your changes are preserved in the PDF file, and there you have it. Your text fields now blend seamlessly into your PDF document without any distracting outlines. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.